Let's find 9/64 of an inch on our ruler or tape measure here. So this is 1 inch. This distance here is 1 inch. If we cut it in half, we get half of an inch. Cut that in half, you get a fourth. Cut that in half, 1/8. Cut that in half, 1/16. So let's zoom in on this area right here. So if we cut 1/16 of an inch in half, we get 1/32 of an inch. That's 1/32 of an inch right there. Then if we cut our 1/32 of an inch in half again, that gives us 1/64 of an inch. So now we just count these up. 1/64, 2, 3/64, 4/64, that's 1/16, 5, 6, 7, 8/64, right there, 9/64. So this right here, that is 9/64 on our ruler or our tape measure. That's how you do it. This is Dr. B. Thanks for watching.